Hey, what's good everybody? Welcome back to our YouTube channel mahagurus.com. So in this tutorial, we would learn how can we format the table as a light color. So I would suggest you guys to please follow each and every step as I say. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, to format the table with the light colors, what we have to do is we would just select this table which contains the header. Like here I am having this one which contains this days mentioned here, and we would just select it, and after selecting we would click on home, and in this home ribbon you will see the style group, and just click on the tab format as table. Just click on that, and here you will see the bunch of options for light colors. So I would just select one of them like this blue one, and there's just minimal changes which is very neglectable. Again, if you wanna apply little bit darker, then select it. Again, click on home, this style group format as table, and then I will select this one. So this is now we can see. So that's all for today guys. Thank you.
If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.